Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we just pulled up to Cracker Barrel Old Country Store. Y'all know it's the holiday season. They have the holiday menu on the table right now. So I am very much excited for this because I love my holiday foods. Okay, I love my turkey. I love my dressing. I love my cranberry sauce. So I can't wait to go in and indulge in that. And then I'm trying to schedule a home tour with my favorite realtor lady, Laura Louise. So hopefully we'll get a house tour today. So stay tuned, keep watching, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll probably have yesterday's short vlog up soon too to show you that home, because I'm serious. I'm out here. It's lease renewal time for me. Well, in just about 3 months, but I don't want to renew a lease. I'd rather buy something. So that's what I'm looking to do. Though my budget, girl, my budget is small, but you know, I do everything with the mentality of being a bougie on a budget. So I feel like I can find something within a small budget and make it glam. So that's what I want, but I don't want it to be too big of a task, of a fixer upper, if that makes sense. You know, I don't want it to be something overwhelming or something that's gonna take me maybe a couple of years to get it how I want it. I don't want that. I kind of want it to be turnkey, but I know that's not gonna happen with my small budget. But nonetheless, I'm gonna take you along, and yeah, let's go eat. You ready to eat, Darnell?
Yep, ready to eat.
You hear my stomach growling?
Pretty much.
Is it loud?
Yeah,
Let's go eat. A Cracker Barrel. That is very pretty. This is like Christmas tree goals. But my tree is normally this color though. Even though it's Sunday, I'm gonna go with Thursday's meal. I want turkey and dressing. Are you getting breakfast or? So guys, I am a little upset. I didn't get to order my holiday feast. I can only get that on Thursday, so I just ordered breakfast. I hadn't had Cracker Barrel's breakfast in forever, so this still should be good. It's normally really good, so. Probably not.
But you'll be just a matter of pulling off all that old siding. I bet you just do new siding. I got a bag of damper in here.
So this is a bedroom over here. Okay. Tiny little closet.
Well, good effort on their part to fix it up, you know.
Yeah, but I knew it was something like Jack and Jill for the bathroom.
Mm-hmm. This would be, it's a great size for one person.
But it is a big bathroom though, Laura.
Yeah, just get you a glamour tub in there. Ooh, just
Yeah.
throw out that shower rod now. Nice fan. Whoa, what's going on there?
What is that though? What would that right there be?
But it's the furnace.
Oh. Huh.
Yeah, furnace on the side.
What is going on down there?
Where's that gap?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Floor's lower.
Jesus. Be a fence.
Doesn't have glitter countertops.
No glitter. But I just love the little the doorways. It's so cute inside. This is the cutest little cottage.
This kitchen in here.
Huh?
This is super cute.
Oh yeah, the kitchen is
Big.
really big. All the space. I love the
This
window.
would have been a bar and the counter extended that one, but then what they
Yeah, the floor is weird right there too when you walk.
stopped it.
Yeah, they stopped it.
But just move the refrigerator and finish the whole.
Yeah, it's got black. It's on top of the linoleum. It's black and white linoleum. The checkerboard. The farmhouse. Sinks.
Like your laundry room.
Okay, nice little right there. Okay. I see the cottage. Ooh.
Water tank is new.
Is it?
House.
The cabinetry in this needs. The countertops would have to have a little work. But I like the efforts though. I like the space. Yeah. Alright, what is this? I can park my car in here.
Lot of yard.
Is it some utility room?
How deep it is. This goes way deep. You can put one of those houses back there.
Okay, got a little shed, of course. But look, does the dryer come with the place?
I hope not.
Yeah. What
No,
are you?
thank you.
Yeah. No, thank you. The windows.
Ooh, could do a little dance.
There's a lot of space. A lot of squirrels.
Let's go check out the shed.
Yeah, let's see what kind of BS is in there.
Time out. Oh. Well.
Okay. So graffito. Graffito is the plural.
Forgiven. I am forgiven.
Okay, so I got a mural in the backyard. Okay. All right.
That's a good mojo going.
So it's on a crawl space too. That's the little door for the crawl space. Okay. Well, at least the shed doesn't look so
Yeah, no.
bad. What is this? A grave?
Honestly. It's the fire pit.
It was.
Just imagine it's got some
Oh,
brick around it.
too close. I want them to jump out and get me. It's got a little hole burrowed in there. I wouldn't use it. I'd be scared. But it's a lot of lawn though,
Sure is.
and that's my responsibility.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
It is the oasis